It's tough.
Kato, this crank.
Look, and we on the 5 all day, all night. Dressing up nice, no I'm fly as a kite. Shout a big turkey, be breaking up fights when you come to the school, better go and get right. And I'm on the cipher, I'm speaking about life. Get to the rim, got me feeling like Mike. Can't talk on the net, I don't mess with this guy. But look, don't copy your songs as you know that you lying. And the things they carry can't step on no man. The bells get the ring and it sound like a siren. And shout out to Kirby, she holding down 9. When I'm in the booth, then you know that I'm round. Yeah, and I'm deep in the field, I'm feeling like 5. Hey, listen, CFC be the crew, we ain't trying to recruit. We up all night, we deep in the stew. Green in my pocket, I'm counting up blues, they counting me out, they said it's a fluke. Told A chill, we know what to do. Me and J Bug locked in like glue. I'm driving the whip, ain't going like 2. For real, but we on the 5 all day, all night. Dressing up fly, know I'm fly as a kite. Shout out Big Turkey, be breaking up fights. When you come to the school, better go and get right. And I'm on the cipher, I'm speaking about life. I get to the rim, got me feeling like Mike. Can't talk on the net, I don't mess with the Skype. For real. Nah, you can add the little jig part. Huh? Hey, that's the good take. You know what it is.
Hey guys, my name is Ty and I'm the director for Campus Cypher. Next up is a new episode of Puppet Masters, and you're watching The Sweet Life of CFC.
Good morning, Blue Devils, and welcome to Puppet Masters, the hottest news show about your Verina teachers.
Now that we're all readjusted to school, our vast fan base can come back to their favorite show, listening to our wonderful voices.
We've let these lunatics get away with this for far too long.
What?
Sorry. Our researchers believe we have good reason to suspect somebody in the science department is orchestrating a plot to take over the world.
Yes. Miss Knuckles' infection shall begin soon.
Wait, what? I was talking about Mr. Agee training his students to build missiles.
I thought everybody was talking about Miss Dunham expanding the continents.
Hold on, why are we even discussing this?
Because
they're trying to take over the world.
Clearly, Miss Knuckles is trying to release COVID-2 upon the world. Haven't y'all seen that students have been getting sick lately?
Look, if Mr. Agee has his way, then we're all going to be blown to smithereens by his missile.
And next time you're disobeying your teacher deliberately, setting their classroom on fire, maybe consider your teacher might be justified in unleashing a pandemic upon you and your classmates.
That goes fully into my next thing. Fires are very frequently set by children doing her experiments, as if she attracts the flames to herself.
Exactly.
She may have a science classroom the most fires are set in.
Exactly.
And that's to teach the kids to set the magma on fire to expand the continent.
That doesn't matter when they're firing missiles from Mr. Agee's room.
I don't know about y'all, about this rockets and magma and stuff, but you're all wrong because clearly Miss Knuckles is starting the end of the world with COVID-2. She's a biology teacher. Sorry, excuse me. Anyways.
Oh, you're patient zero. I can already see that. You know.
Anyways.
I want their world takeover to succeed in whatever manner they wish.
Trying to get on their good side so that they give you power.
Yeah. Okay, so apparently she went after you first. That's what I'm learning.
No.
What did you do? What did you do?
She gave me candy as an incentive one time.
I need to specify your claim here. You're saying allegedly Miss Knuckles has knowingly infected you.
Mr. Agee, right?
Your missiles theory is so boring. Sports guy, why do we want more continents?
Actually, we don't want more continents. That's what I'm trying to say. We don't need any more land space because then it takes away from the water space, so the fishes will get on the land and die.
Okay, look, this is exactly why they're valid in whatever they're doing, because sports guy over here has no idea what he's talking about.
I just want an apology because I'm very educated on this subject.
No, you aren't.
Let's just circle back to the fact that our weather guy thinks we all deserve to be blown up by missiles.
I never said that.
If we can't come together on our theories, we can at least come together on the fact that we do not deserve to be blown up by missiles. We don't deserve to get COVID-2, and we don't deserve to take over the fish's land, I guess.
But, I mean, okay, look, COVID-2 is apparently enhancing Anchor 2, so I'm kind of intrigued. My, contact info, Miss Knuckles, is,
Hi, my name is Charlie King, and I'm the puppeteer for Puppet Masters. Thanks for watching the latest episode of The Sweet Life of CFC, sponsored by the Center for Communications Class of 2025. Make sure you like, comment, and slam subscribe below. Tune in next week for our next episode.